How to sell your first coaching package online. Beginner's guide. If you're ready to sell your first coaching package online, you might be feeling a mix of excitement and hesitation. Look, guys, that's completely normal. Most coaches know how to support people deeply, but when it comes to selling the package, things can suddenly feel unclear. Here's the good news. Selling your coaching offer online doesn't need to feel awkward, pushy, or overwhelming. When you break it into simple steps and remove the pressure, it becomes far more natural than most coaches expect. Let's walk through the entire process calmly, clearly, and of course, step by step. So let's start with step one. Get clear on the transformation you deliver. Before pricing, before pages, before marketing. You need clarity on one thing, the transformation. What transformation do you guide people through? People don't buy coaches because of session counts. They buy coaching because they want change. That change might be more confidence, better habits, clearer direction, emotional or mindset shifts, support through a life transition. Once you can clearly name the transformation, the rest of the offer becomes easier and calmer. Clarity always comes first. So, step two, decide on a simple package structure. Your coaching package needs structure, not complexity. A simple package includes duration of 4, 8, or 12 weeks, works well. Session frequency is weekly or bi-weekly. Session length 45 to 60 minutes. Support between sessions, optional but really helpful. You can use communities and things to do this. And of course, clear outcomes. Clients feel safer when they know what's included, what the journey looks like, what support they'll receive. Simple structure builds trust. I've used the word simple, clarity, transformation a lot in this series, and it's really important to understand that these are the most important things going forwards. Your authenticity, your actual structure, your framework. So, step three, build a simpler coaching page. You don't need a complicated website. A single clear page is enough. Your coaching page should explain who you help, the transformation you guide, what's included, your general framework, pricing, one clear next step. Clarity builds trust. Confusion loses clients. Inside Zenler, you can build this page easily without design skills or that tech stress. So, step four, choose a price that feels aligned with you. Pricing is where many coaches get stuck, but it doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs to feel aligned. A simple guidance. If it feels heavy or stressful, it's too high. If it feels draining, it's too low. If it feels grounded, it's aligned. Many new coaches start between £197 to £497 for their coaching. Then refine as confidence and clarity grows. You can always adjust it later. Step five, invite people calmly and clearly. Selling coaching is not convincing someone, it's inviting them into a transformation they already want. A calm invitation includes the change you help create, how your package works, why you created it, who's it for, a clear next step. You don't need hype, you don't need pressure. You need honesty, warmth, and clarity. So, step six, use a clarity call if needed. If your package is high touch or higher priced, a clarity call helps. This is not a sales call, it's a conversation. A simple flow works best. Ask about their goals, explore what's holding them back, explore or share your framework, Explain the package. Invite them if it feels aligned. When approached with curiosity, these calls feel natural and not salesy. So step number 7, make enrollment simple with Zenler. So once someone says yes, the process should feel calm and professional. Look, inside Zenler, you can add pricing and payment plans. You can automate access, send welcome emails, deliver resources, create private coaching spaces. A smooth enrollment experience sets the tone for the entire relationship. Plus, of course, you can build communities and get people chatting together. Step 8, deliver with clarity and structure. Delivery matters just as much as the sale. A simple onboarding includes a welcome email, clear instructions, where sessions live, what resources are, where resources are, a clear first step. When clients feel oriented, they relax. When they relax, transformation begins. So step 9 is about gather feedback and refine. Your first coaching package is not your final version. Each client shows you what works, what needs clarity, where to simplify, what to improve. Coaching evolves, your offer evolves with it. This is how clarity is built, through real experiences. So step 10 is keep the process light and repeatable. The simpler your process, the more sustainable your business becomes. Your package should be easy to explain, easy to deliver, easy to repeat, easy to improve. Zenler keeps everything in one place so you can focus on coaching, not managing all of these tools, right? Consistency is what grows a coaching business, and consistency comes from simplicity. If you want to follow this process in detail, you can read the full beginner's guide. There's a link below, guys. And subscribe to the channel. Hit that subscribe bell icon to get more news about videos. And you can also try Zenler for 30 days for free and take part in our 30-day accelerator program, which will show you how the platform works. So you've got nothing to lose. Just jump in, have a play, see if it's a good fit for your coaching business, and I'll see you soon.